Okay, so let's take a look at the profiles area. So what you need to do is just click onto your icon on the top here. You'll find profile. Here you'll be able to see your allowance, so how much you've used of the allowance that you have. You can also change your avatar if you want to. So if you want to choose a different image to represent yourself, just click the button, choose your image, crop it, and save it. You can see in here you've got your name. If you're associated with specific teams, then you'll find the details in here. We'll have a look at teams in a second. You can also change any of your details. So let's have a quick look at teams as well. So teams, you can see here you have the ability to invite people to join your team as an administrator. You'll also have the ability to set what permissions they have within the system. Once Teams is turned on, the administrator can share with people. Users can also choose to share in their team by just choosing the move to team options available in the course cards.